Well, good morning. Williams, Philippines. It is about 7:30 on Friday morning, 12/13/2024. Hey, one of those 13 days on Friday. Uh, some people are worried about that. I usually don't. But then I just spent 6+ hours trying to get something to work, and I know I do something. I know it's there. It sees it, and I can connect to it. But I'm not getting it to do what it's supposed to be doing. So I did something, but I don't know what I did. So, yeah. I'm having all kinds of fun. Well, you can't even... Here. There you go. Yeah, I can connect to it, but it ain't seeing it. That's that little NAS. Somewhere or another, I got it to act like a media storage service, but it's not letting me put other kinds of files on there, and it won't even let me put songs or such on it, or video, because that's part of what I was going to do, was take the videos from this thing and cast them over to it. I didn't get that part figured out. Yeah, 6 hours, and then I looked up and realized, oh crap, the sun's coming up, time to eat. But that's okay. Lots of coffee, and just finished some eggs and chopped ham and jalapenos and some green onions, all mixed up as a nice big plate with some cheese thrown on top and a dash of salt and 2 dashes of pepper. Sinuses are trying to drain on me, so yay! Jalapeno peppers are good. Would have been better if they'd have been hotter, but hey, you get what you get. Sometimes they're hot, sometimes they're not. Anyway, whoa. Yeah, I've got, I think I just checked, I had 231. You know, if I can just keep getting one a day, pretty much by the end of the year, I'll have 250. Woohoo! Yay. Whatever. Tired. Trying to get all this stuff up here and done and get things set up, and yeah. At least yesterday was productive, and I got the desktop pretty much cleared off. I mean, don't get me wrong, I got some small stuff I gotta rearrange and put into some boxes and such, because I got a bunch of cables that yeah, older ones, and this one here is gonna need one. Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out how to do it with a hard wire and let the other ones connect via the Wi-Fi. But at this point, I'm done with it for the day. It's been kicking my butt, and now I got a full belly, and oh, the jalapenos are talking to me, giving me the hiccups. I ate too much, too fast. So it is what it is. But I did manage to get it to where I can actually connect my laptop to it wirelessly and communicate in the control panel on it. Yay! And all this is behind the VPN. And they say there's a way to take and get it to where you can go somewhere else and send it back to here. I haven't even got anywhere near there yet. But hey, eventually I probably will get it figured out. I know it's just a setting somewhere in there that's fighting it. So, yay. Yeah. Yeah. Between having to do the router, that was not what I was expecting. I thought it was for sure all out, just the or I thought it was the router and not the modem. And I ended up having the modem be what was the big problem. Now that I got all that fixed and such, got this other router, yeah. But hey, it is what it is. But it's been fun. I've actually enjoyed doing this morning, digging in and trying to figure it out. Like I say, there's some sitting there I'm just not catching, and we'll see. Hopefully it won't take too much more, but at this point, like I said, I'm just giving up on it. It's the end of that for the day. I got other things to do. That and I'd like a nap, but I shouldn't, because, well, if I take a nap now, I won't want to go to sleep when it's time to go to sleep, and then I'll be awake when I'm supposed to be asleep. So instead of being asleep when I'm not supposed to, I'm going to wait and shoot for going to sleep when I'm supposed to, which is a few more hours down the road. So I got to stay awake. Anyway, can't wait for that Mac Mini to get in here. I wish it was here today. I'd stay awake trying to play with it. Yeah, pretty much what I was doing with this. Staying awake and playing with it. We'll get it figured out. But yes, should have that in, they said as early as the 20th, but could be as late as the 10th of January. I don't know about you, but that seems awful far out to me. One of the things I got to do today is try to go over there and get my insurance taken care of. Because, hey, everybody wants to deal with health insurance. Yeah. At the price they're wanting for my max out-of-pocket deductible now, or for this year, compared to what I've got right now, they're wanting 6 times more. I don't know about you, but that's a lot of money. Make me downright not like those people. It is what it is. Yeah, my got to get that taken care of. Need to make sure I get one that actually will accept my vaccines. So I need to talk to them. Because, hey, that's what I always want to do, is talk to them. Yeah. Because it is what it is. Insurance. It's a nightmare. So for all you having to go through planning for this next year of insurance, I hope it goes good for you. And for those of you that didn't bother checking about what's actually being covered this year compared to last year, I hope it doesn't come back and bite you. But hey, bad choices. You always got to look and see what it is. You know, it's if you don't know, you don't know, and you get blindsided. If you know, you might still get blindsided, but it'll be a little less painful, hopefully, and you'll be better prepared for it. Anyway, it is what it is. Oh, dang. Yeah. It's been a bit of a busy morning sitting here dealing with this toys. Boy, that's an old song. Toys in the attic. I think that was, what, 10cc? I don't remember. A long time ago. Yeah. Anyway, I got this going. I'm going to try to get the insurance taken care of today now that the people will be getting up and actually starting to be in the office to talk to. Yeah. I wish I could call them in the middle of their night while they're sleeping so that they can have to deal with me while they're asleep instead of them calling me while I'm asleep and keeping me awake when I want to be asleep. Yeah. I still think the Reach Out and Choke You app would be a wonderful thing for the phone. You know, you download the app on your phone, and every time a telemarketer calls, you hit the Reach Out and Choke 'em button, and a hand pops out the other side, chokes the telemarketer, asking him, "Why are you disturbing me?" Just saying, it would be a fun app to have, and I'd invest. I'd be willing to pay for that one. Just saying. Anyway. Yeah. Telemarketers. I don't even want to count how many of them have called me this week. I had 20 on one day. Yeah, I went and counted on one day. I think it was Tuesday? Tuesday. Or maybe it was Monday. Monday or Tuesday. Yeah. Those people were definitely trying to disturb my peace. And my boss is asking, "Oh, why aren't you answering my phone calls?" They're getting drowned under all the other ones, and I put it all to ignore everything. Yeah. Because I'm tired of it. I'm actually thinking about getting an entirely new phone number. And, you know, just have to deal with the probability of not getting everybody on it and having somebody upset and trying to find me and not be able to find me. I don't know. Would that really be a bad thing? Because pretty much I know everybody I want to take and have my number. But, yeah. Part of me does want to keep it because, well, everybody's got my number that needs it. Problem is a whole bunch of people that don't need it got it. Yeah. Reach Out and Choke You app. I'd pay for it. Let's see, what else was there? Oh, downloading. When I use that camera, yeah, it takes a lot longer to download. Like almost triples the time of going just off this little one here on this computer. So, yeah, it does a better job. It looks prettier. But, yeah, I will use it here, most of it. But at this point today, I'm just trying to get this one out before trying to get over and start doing other stuff. Because, well, I really only have a bit over half a day to try to talk to these people. And, yeah, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do it in just half a day. But I want to try to get all that done. It is what it is. And part of me wants to, just say forget it all and do without health insurance. Of course, I say that, and what's going to be the first thing that happens? Somebody will run me over walking across the street, or drive up into the parking lot and run me over. I just have that kind of luck. You do understand that, don't you? Yeah. Might be why I don't go to the middle of the street anymore. I got better sense. But that don't mean that the world can't just come jump the curb and climb into your lap for you. Or find you in the middle of nowhere. Because, hey, yeah, they'll do it. I know. All too well, I know. Anyway, I got a couple of things I'm going to try to get done along with the insurance today. It'll be nice to get it done, but we'll see. Anyway, I hope everybody's had a blessed day and that your weekend is a good one and that your work week wasn't as too hard and that you made money. Because some days, I know, there's some jobs that, yeah. I've seen people getting, commissions, and I did that for a while. I actually was at one time making outbound calls to set up appointments for people to sell windows, doors, siding, and trim. I was real good at it. I could sell them on a window or a door. Oh gosh. But that was a cheap item. But I was popping them like crazy. I could get the salesman in there and he could get them for what I sent them there for, which was a door or, a window. But they didn't seem to want to be able to, every once in a while they'd pop one and actually get a big sale out of it and not just the door. But I would pop so many little sales. It was by number of sales, I was doing good. By amount of sales, I was horrible. Yeah. It is what it is. But hey, it was a job. Wish I hadn't have done it now. Yeah. But I was good at it. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a good day. If you stick around and you hear this, please hit the like, comment, and subscribe. It would help out. But, I don't have to hit 250 by the end of the year. It'd just be nice. Anyway, later blessings, bye-bye, lots of food, lots of good friends. Enjoy your weekend. Don't spend all your paycheck in one place. This is fishing. Well, fish is out.